You've 100% seen this channel on the internet. It's everywhere. And guess what? It pulled 2.8 billion views in the last 28 days, racking more than Mr. Beast's views and generating more than $1 million monthly.
Every night at exactly 3 a.m., satellites catch a tiny pulse coming from Earth itself. Not space, not stars, us. The signal loops every 6 seconds like a heartbeat. Scientists thought it was machinery.
This is what we created, and you'll learn throughout the video. Everyone looks at it and thinks, I wish this was my channel. I wish I got views like this. Relax. No stress, because now I'll show you exactly how this works, step by step, live. In this video, I'm giving you the full tutorial on how to make videos like this. Not half, not basic, the full thing. We'll go step by step, live. How to get the idea, how to generate the script, how to create the images, how to turn it all into a clean video. And yes, even the small editing tricks that make the whole thing click. By the end, your workflow will feel smooth, fast, and easy, and your channel will finally start moving the way you want. Because making this type of video isn't one big step, it's a bunch of small steps. So stay with me till the end. Every step matters. Miss one, and the whole video falls apart. Do them in order, and your video hits like magic. All right, let's jump in. We're on the screen now, and I'll walk you through everything live in simple, clean steps so you can follow without getting lost.
Step number one is super basic but crazy important. You need a topic. Whatever your niche is, finance, entertainment, sports, gaming, everything starts with topic selection. If your topic is weak, nothing else can save the video. So here's what you do. Go straight to ChatGPT. You can use other tools, but if you want strong results from ChatGPT, you need a strong prompt. A weak prompt is equal to weak ideas. A good prompt means crazy good ideas. And don't worry, the exact prompt you need is already inside this tutorial. Everything I'm showing, every tool, every prompt, you'll find it all in the description. So no tension, just subscribe. Now look, our title generation prompt is ready. Just copy it, open ChatGPT, paste it inside, and boom, it starts firing out powerful titles that can actually pull views. So look, it's already giving us answers, live, right in front of you. It's dropping titles and a tiny one-line explanation under each one so you instantly know what the idea means. Like this one, instant curiosity. Or this one, simple idea, big hook. These are solid titles. If you turn even 2 to 3 of these into videos every week, you've got your whole week's content locked in. Honestly, even 2 weeks if you want to stretch it. And if these 10 don't click with you, easy. Run the prompt again and boom, 10 more. Do this a few times and you basically have a full month of content ready from just one prompt. So that's it. Your title generation is done. Now we move to the next step, script generation. This is step 2, and this part decides how strong your video will feel. Here's the good news, you don't have to think or struggle. I already built the full script prompt for you. All you do is copy it, come back to ChatGPT and paste it. That's it. One thing to notice, the prompt has a section that says title. From the 10 titles you generated earlier, just pick one and drop it in that spot. Once you do that, the entire script comes out automatically. So let's pick one. For me, this title feels clean and fun. Great topic. It's entertaining, it's informative, it's evergreen. People will always click on this. So I'll choose that. I'll paste the title and also paste the one-line explanation under it, so ChatGPT understands the context clearly. Now we hit enter and wait. A few seconds later, boom, ChatGPT gives us the script. Short, tight, punchy. You might think, wait, this looks too short. Yes, exactly. It should be short. Look at Zack D Films videos. Their shorts are super short and super interesting. The shorter the script, the better your average view duration. Better AVD means more reach. So our script generation is done. Now we move to the voiceover step, and this one matters a lot. For voiceover, I always recommend ElevenLabs. It's affordable,
It's simple and it gives you clean results without any headache. So we open the tool and this is the interface you'll see. Super simple. If you want voice cloning, mid-length videos, or just basic text-to-speech, this tool can do everything in one place. For now, we're using text-to-speech. Click it and it takes you to your dashboard. Now take the script you generated earlier, copy it, paste it into the text box here. Simple. To match the Zack D Films style voice, pick one that feels curious. I chose this guy. It's clean. It's accurate. It sounds almost like Zack D Films to me. If you compare Zack D Films' voice to this, the vibe is very similar. You can also adjust the speed from side. Faster, slower, whatever fits your style. Now click Generate Speech, and in 3 to 4 seconds, your full voiceover appears. Let's listen to it.
This is actually real. Every night at exactly 3 a.m., satellites catch a tiny pulse coming from Earth itself. Not space, not stars.
Sounds clean, good tone, perfect pacing. Now let's click download, and that's it. Our voiceover step is done. Now we move to visual generation, the part everyone thinks is hard, but it's honestly one of the easiest steps in the whole workflow. So listen carefully. This part can save you hours. In step 4, I've already written the full visual generation prompt for you. Your job is simple. Copy it, that's it. But inside that prompt, there's one small spot you need to change. Don't worry, it's easy. I'll walk you through it slowly. So first, copy the prompt. Come back to ChatGPT, paste it inside. Now look at the bottom of the prompt. You'll see a line that says, paste your full script here. This is where you drop the script we generated earlier. No editing, no formatting. Just copy the full script and paste it right there. It's literally a copy-paste job. If you follow this, your entire visual pack, scenes, image descriptions, shot ideas, will be ready automatically. Everything is already prepared for you. You don't have to think, you don't have to design. Just copy, paste, done. So now I've pasted the script, given it the input, and ChatGPT will build all the visual generation prompts for you, one by one, perfectly matched to your script. And now I'll show you how this output looks. So guys, it has now generated full prompts for us completely free. Super simple. Just copy and paste. Take the prompt from here to here. That's it. Next, we jump to Google. Type whisk. Here's the whisk interface. Paste the prompt we just copied. If you want it to be even sharper, give it a reference. My tip is always give a reference. Go to Zack D Films, grab 2 or 3 screenshots from their latest video, and paste them here in the subject and style section. That way, it knows exactly the style we're aiming for. I did the same. Took a few screenshots from Zack D Films and pasted them in. Now the tool understands exactly what we want to generate. Hit generate, and let's see the magic. Boom. It gave us 2 results. I think this one is better. Exactly what we needed. Now, do the same for all your prompts. Copy them one by one, paste them, generate the images back to back. That's it. And there you go. All your video images are ready. Look through them, pick whichever one you like best, and download it. Super smooth. All right, let's dive straight into video generation. Step 5 is where the magic really starts. This is where your script turns into an actual video. I'll show you exactly how to do it. We're using Google's free video generation tool, VO 3.1 for this. Paste your generated images, choose whether your video is short or long. I picked short, then paste your prompt again and hit input. That's it. The tool will generate videos for each visual automatically. Repeat this for all your images, one after the other. I'll fast forward for you to save time. And here comes the fun part. First result is in. Watch this. Look at that. Amazing, right? And the crazy part? This was all generated with AI. Perfect timing, perfect visuals.
My calculations must be wrong. This shouldn't exist. Yet, here it is, changing everything.
Keep going the same way for all your visuals. Once done, download everything. You're ready to stitch it all together. We've made it to the final step, video editing in CapCut. Here's where everything comes together. First, just drag and drop all the videos you generated, every single clip, into CapCut. I've already done this with my clips, so you'll see how it stacks up. Next, take the voiceover you created with ElevenLabs and drop it in. Match visuals with the story. Boom. Quick tip, Zack D Films usually skip captions, but if you want, you can add them. Otherwise, it's fine as it is. Now, because the generated clips already have their own audio, we need to delete that so only your voice plays. Super simple. Click on the clip, go to audio, and decrease the original sound. Just like that, your single, clean narration takes over. Everything is now aligned. Visuals, narration, and pacing all set. From here, you can tweak timing, add mini zooms, or highlight effects to keep the energy high. That's it. Your video is ready to amaze your audience. That's the basic editing done. Nothing extra is really needed. Just throw in some captions, add background music, and your video is ready to go.
Every night at exactly 3 a.m., satellites catch a tiny pulse coming from Earth itself. Not space, not stars, us. The signal loops every 6 seconds like a heartbeat. Scientists thought it was machinery until they removed every power source near the detection zone. The pulse kept going. And here's the weird part. It gets 1% stronger every month. Almost like something underground is waking up or answering back. The pattern
Simple as that. My main goal here was to show you the core concept. The full workflow from idea to finished video, and now you've got it. Everything I showed you step by step is all you need to start creating. If anything's still unclear, drop your questions in the comments. I'll help you out. And finally, a quick reminder, if you want to dive deeper, join my Telegram community, learn full AI automations, and get access to exclusive classes. The contact link is right there in the description. Don't miss it. It's where you get the full insider info.